Good evening, Anjali. So, what shall we do today? Which chapter? Okay, we'll do. Shall we do on sample paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
All the chapters. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let one sample paper. You keep your book and pen ready because you may have to work out. This is a practice paper in for all the subjects, all the chapters included. Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll write on the whiteboard. Okay. You write in your book, and I'll ask questions. And whomever I ask must give the answer. Everybody will write in the book. Only the person I ask will answer. Okay. Paint a board. I will share my screen with you. And I'll turn off my video because sometimes it will give us a problem. Can you see my whiteboard?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
First question. Question 7 to the power 1 by 2 minus 8 to the power 1 by 2. Not minus, multiplied. 7 to the power 1 by 2 multiplied by 8 to the power 1 by 2. What is the answer? Everybody will write, but Aishwarya will answer. What is the answer, Aishwarya? Aishwarya not answering. Prerana has written 56 to the power 1 by 2. Yes, Prerana, you write.
Ma'am, I also told 56 to the power of 1 by 2.
Correct. Correct. A to the power m into b to the power m equal to ab to the power m. Correct. Next question. Who is the next person? Point 2, 3 lies in dash quadrant. Next person is Akash. Akash. Akash.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your answer? Tell me.
First quadrant, ma'am.
First quadrant, correct. Next, median of 8, 15, 23, 14, 6, 8, 3, 16, 15, 18 is dash. Now Anjali should answer. Anjali? Anjali?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to answer the third question.
7, ma'am. 7, ma'am.
7.
Yes, ma'am.
So you start from which is the smallest 3. Then it is 6. Then 8, 14, 15, 15. Then 16. First you write it in ascending order. 16. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
15,
10.
ma'am. 15, ma'am.
16,
8
23.
had to come for 2 times.
8, 3. I have written 3. I have written 6. I've written 8. I've written 15. I've written
Again, you have to write 8, ma'am.
2 times came.
14. Which is 2 times? 8.
8,
8,
ma'am.
ma'am.
8, 8. So 8 is written 2 times. Then 15, 15 written 2 times. Then 18, 23.
11,
1,
ma'am.
2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So which two numbers are in the middle?
14.5, ma'am. 14 and 15.
14 and 15 are in the middle. So 14 plus 15 by 2, how much?
14.5. 14.5.
14,
20
5.
by 2. 14.5 is the median. So because it is even number, two numbers are in the center. Fourth question. Mode of 7, 13, 14, 15, 8, 9, 15, 13, 6, 13. Now, who has to answer? Anjali finished. Bhumika? Bhumika?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Mode.
Ma'am, 13.
Mode is 13. Correct. 13, 13, 13. Correct. Next question. Through which of the following does graph of y equal to minus x passes? The options are 1, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 0. These are the options. Now, who has to tell? Madhumita? Madhumita?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to tell. Through which of these points will y equal to minus x pass through? 1, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 0. Y equal to minus x. Which point?
Minus 1 and 1, ma'am.
Correct. Minus 1 and 1. Correct. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Question number 6. Who has to answer? Madhumita over. Mahalakshmi?
Yes, ma'am.
Mahalakshmi, you have to answer. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Everybody will write, but only she will answer. Angle A equal to 30 degrees. Angle B equal to 70 degrees. Angle P equal to 70 degrees. Angle Q equal to 80 degrees. AB equal to RP. Then which of the options is correct? Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle QRP. Next option. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle RPQ. Last option. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle RQP. Mahalakshmi has to answer.
Ma'am, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle RPQ.
RPQ. How? A equal to 30. R is 30.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
B equal to 70. P is 70.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And AB equal to RP. Correct. Seventh question. In triangles ABC and PRQ, angle A is 20. Angle Q is 20. AC equal to QP. Then, which of the options correct? ABC congruent to PQR. ABC congruent to PRQ. ABC congruent to RQP. ABC congruent to QRP. These are the options. And Mahantesh has to answer. Mahantesh,
Yes.
which is the correct answer? A equal to 20, Q equal to 20, AC equal to QP. Which is the correct option? A, B, C, and D. Mahantesh has to tell. Everybody will write, but
Ma'am,
Mahantesh second option.
Yes, ma'am.
A equal to 20, P equal to 20. No, not second option.
D option, ma'am. D.
D option. A is 20, Q is 20. AC equal to QP. Ah, yes, D option is correct. Next. In a right angle triangle, angle A equal to 90 degrees, AB equal to AC, how much is angle B? Angle B equal to dash. Now who has to answer? Mahantesh answered. Pavitra, how much is angle B? Pavitra?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to answer, Pavitra. Angle B. How much is angle B? What is angle B? Can you see the screen? Can you see?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
A is 90. AB equal to AC.
Ma'am, 45 degree.
45 is correct. Correct. Next question. Degree of polynomial 3y to the power 5 minus 4y cube plus 8y to the power 6 plus 3y minus 1. Now who has to answer? Pavitra finished. Pooja? Pooja? Pooja?
Yes, ma'am. 6, ma'am.
6 is the correct answer. Is 6. Correct. Next question. Like this. If two interior angles on the same side of a triangle, write this. If two interior angles on the same side of a transversal intersecting two parallel lines in the ratio 2:3, find the smaller angle. Find the smaller angle. Now, this Pavitra finished, Pooja finished. Pratiksha, Pooja, have you finished? Pratiksha, Pooja?
Yes, ma'am.
Now Pratiksha has to answer. Pratiksha,
Yes, ma'am.
you have to answer. What is the smaller angle? What is the value of the smaller angle?
Ma'am, 72.
72 you got.
Yes, ma'am.
So 2x plus 3x equal to 180. 5x equal to 180. X
X
equal
equal
to
to 30. X equal to
36.
30.
So 2x equal to 2 into 36, 72. Correct. Next, question number 11 is, name a quadrilateral. Name the quadrilateral with one pair of opposite sides parallel. Now who has to answer? Pavitra finished. Next is Pooja. Pavitra finished. Pooja?
Yes, ma'am.
Pooja, you have to answer. What is the name of the quadrilateral which has one pair of opposite sides parallel?
Ma'am, trapezium.
Trapezium. Very good. Very easy question. Trapezium is the answer. Next question. Pooja finished. Pratiksha.
Ma'am, I
Pratiksha,
already answered.
answer. Priyadarshini. Priyadarshini. Priyadarshini.
Yes, ma'am.
Your question. 5.63 into 5.63 plus 11.26 into 2.37 plus 2.37 into 2.37 is what? Find the value. You should use the identity. Don't multiply. Use the identity. You should not multiply and add. Should use the identity. Anybody has answered? Using the identity. Trapezium, trapezium, trapezium. Somebody has answered. Okay. Next question. Who has answered? Which identity can you use?
Ma'am,
Pratiksha.
B whole square, ma'am. A square.
AB plus
A square plus
A
A
squared?
square plus B square plus C square.
C square.
No, this is not C squared. 11.26 into 2.37 is not C squared.
A plus B whole square.
A plus B whole squared. So this one is B squared. Where is the 2AB?
ma'am 11.26
We
is
have to divide 5.63 as 5 plus 0.63 whole square.
No. Don't do that. 11.26 is 2 into 5.63, no? Into 2.37. Don't do that. So this is 2AB. So what is A squared plus 2AB plus B squared?
A plus B whole
A plus B whole square.
A plus B whole squared. A is 5.63. B is 2.37. Add and square. How much?
64, ma'am.
How much you got?
8 square, ma'am.
8 square is 64. 64 is the answer. Next is Priyadarshini. Sanjana Todakar.
Yes.
Your question. Everybody will write, but Sanjana will answer. 13th question. Sanjana Todakar. The radius of a hemisphere is R. What is its volume? Sanjana Todakar. What is the volume of the hemisphere? Radius is given as R. Not able to answer. Sanjana? Sanjana? What happened? Sahana has written 2 by 3 pi R cube. Sanjana, she has raised her hand.
Hello, ma'am.
Tell me. 2 by 3 pi R cube. Is it correct? Sanjana is not able to say it. Sahana has written
Ma'am,
2
I am
by 3.
answering.
Okay.
She has some network problem.
Yeah, I can understand that. She knows, I think. 2 by 3 pi R cube is the answer. Yes, Sanjana. Okay. Okay, Sanjana. Next question. So answer is 2 by 3 pi R cube. Next question, Sanjana Chittapache. Find the area of a triangle with the base 6 centimeter and altitude 8 centimeters. Sanjana Chittapache. Sanjana Chittapache,
Yes, ma'am.
can you answer this? Find the area of a triangle with base 6 centimeter and altitude 8 centimeter. What is your answer?
24, ma'am.
Correct. 24 centimeter square. Next question. P of x equal to x plus 3. Find P of x plus P of x minus x. Now, Sneha has to answer. Sneha?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to answer. Why only 17 people are here today, including me?
Ma'am, tomorrow. Ma'am, we have exams tomorrow, ma'am.
3 exams,
What?
ma'am.
What exam?
Ma'am, science, SS, Hindi.
What? I didn't get you.
Science
Tomorrow.
Science, okay, science. So they are all studying for tomorrow's exam.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
3 exams, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Shall I close the lesson? You want to study? Do you
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
study? Huh?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You also want to study?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will. This last question. Sneha has to answer. After that, I will end the lesson. You can study for tomorrow's exam. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, Sneha has to answer this question. Sneha? P of x equal to x plus 3. You have to find P of x plus P of minus x. Neha, can you answer?
Ma'am, 0.
0. Sneha was not able to answer. So P of x equal to x plus 3. P of minus x is wherever x is there, put minus x. So minus x plus 3. Minus x minus 3 you got. P of minus x means wherever x is there, we have to put minus 3, minus x. So how you will get 0?
6,
6.
ma'am.
So if anybody wants to study for tomorrow's exam, you can leave the class. Okay? Somebody who has already studied and don't want to continue can continue. How many of you want to? If you want to study for tomorrow's exam, whoever wants can leave the class. Sanjana, you can leave the class. Sanjana Todakar, you can leave the class. And then who else? Anybody wants to study for tomorrow's exam can leave the class. So many, 14 people, that is 13 people don't want to study. Okay, we will continue. No, ma'am, I already. Okay, okay, Sanjana. Then we will continue. Shall we continue?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next question. 16. Question number 16. There is a figure. Okay. Then this is a line here. Line here. Line here. This is the center. This is the center. And this angle is 40. You have to find this angle, x. You have to find angle x. This is the center. This is C, this is A, this is B. Now who has to answer? Neha. Sahana? Sahana?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to answer. What is the value of x? X is this one. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Ah.
ma'am. 50, ma'am. 50.
50. So AOB is 80.
80, ma'am.
So OAB is 180 minus 80 divided by 2. Because OA equal to OB.
Okay, ma'am.
So 100 by 2, 50. Correct. Correct. Next question. Question number 17. What is the region between an arc and a chord of a circle called? What do we call a region between an arc and a chord? It's very easy. Sahana
Segment,
is
ma'am.
a
Segment, ma'am.
segment, correct. So segment is the answer. 18th question. Now, who has to answer? We will go back. Anjali,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
you have to answer. You have to answer. 125 to the power minus 1 by 3 value. is dash. Anjali. What is the answer, Anjali?
5 to the power of -1, ma'am.
5 to the
By
power
5,
minus.
ma'am.
So 5 to the power -1 is 1 by 5, right?
Yes,
5,
ma'am.
5 cube to the power -1 by 3. 3, 3 cancel. 5 to the power -1, that is 1 by 5. Correct. 19, question number 19. Madhumita has to answer. Madhumita,
Yes, ma'am.
4 by 216 to the power -2 by 3 minus 1 by 256 to the power -3 by 4. What is the answer? This is minus. Madhumita has to answer. So what is your answer?
80, ma'am.
You also got 80.
Yes, ma'am.
So now Mahalakshmi has to answer. Mahalakshmi, simplify x to the power 12 by 7 minus x to the power 5 by 7. Question is like this. There are 4 options. X to the power 4 minus 3 by 4. Third is square root of x cube to the power 2 by 3. Fourth option, none. Question is, which of these is equal to x? Is the question. Which of the options is equal to x? Who's answering? 3. Mahantesh has written
Third
3.
option, ma'am. Third option, ma'am.
Third option.
Third
huh?
option.
Third option is x to the power 3 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 2 by 3. So x to the power 3 by 2 into 2 by 3. Correct. Next question. 243 by 32 to the power minus 4 by 5 is dash. Simplify. Who has to tell? Mahantesh has to tell. Mahalakshmi finished. No, Mahantesh has to tell. 243 by 32 to the power minus 4 by 5. Value. Mahantesh, he has written 3. You got. So 243, 81, 27, 9, 3. So 3 to the power 5. 32.
Ma'am, 2, ma'am.
2. 2, 2. 2 to the power 5. To the power minus 4 by 5. 5, 5 cancel. 3 to the power minus 4 by 2 to the power minus 4. What answer you got? 2 to the power 4
81
by
by
3.
16.
16 by
81, ma'am.
81. 16 by 81 is the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, who has to answer? Manteshan. Pavitra has to answer. Pavitra. This is A, this is B. Angle B is 80. How much is A? Pavitra.
100 degree, ma'am.
100 is correct. Next, next, who is next? Pooja. Pooja,
Yes, ma'am.
Ajay's guessing correct answer to a question is x by 2. Probability of not guessing is 3x by 2. Find the value of x. Pooja has to answer. Correct. Guessing correctly is x by 2. Not guessing is 3x by 2. So what is the value of x? Anybody has written? Nobody has written. 1 by 2.
2, ma'am.
1 by 2.
1 by 2, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So guessing and not guessing, and you add, what do you get?
1, ma'am.
Ma'am.
1. So 4x by 2 equal to 1. 2 to the 2x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2. Correct. Next is after Pooja, Sanjana Todakar.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanjana, you have to answer. Here, the altitude to two vertices drawn from two vertices of a triangle to the opposite sides are equal. Prove that the triangle is isosceles. So what should I draw now? What figure should be drawn? First,
Triangle, ma'am.
triangle. Triangle. Name it ABC. Altitude drawn from two vertices of a triangle to the opposite sides are equal. From A, AD is altitude, BE is altitude. you have to prove your data is AD is perpendicular to BC, BE is perpendicular to AC, AD equal to BE. To prove ABC is isosceles. How do you prove? Sanjana.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Sanjana, tell me how will you prove triangle ABC
Ma'am.
is isosceles?
Prove angle ADB is equals to angle ADC
Which
90
two
degrees.
triangles are you taking? Which two triangles?
ADB and ADC, ma'am.
In triangle ADB. ADB and
ADC, ma'am.
ADC.
ADB is equals to ADC, ma'am. 90
ADB
degree.
ADC. Then AD is common. One more you need.
We can't prove like this.
We can't prove like this.
Can I?
Okay.
Area of that ABC triangle equal to half of AC into BE, ma'am. That
So
is equal
area,
to
area of which triangle?
BC, ma'am.
ABC.
The whole triangle.
ABC equal to
Equal
half
to
into BC into AD.
I'm also
Then?
area of triangle ABC equal to half of AC into BE, ma'am.
So, but AD equal to BE
equal to BE.
given. Therefore, BC equal to AC.
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, ABC is isosceles. Correct. Very good. Good answer. See, supposing we take BEC and ADC, BE equal to AD, ADC equal to BEC, C equal to C common. Can we prove the two triangles are congruent?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Then what will be CPCT? BC equal to AC.
Yes, ma'am.
Instead of taking ABD and ADC, we can take BEC and ADC. This is also correct. Another way of proving. Next is Sneha. Sneha?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to answer. Prove that a cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. Sneha, what figure should I draw? What
Cyclic.
figure?
We have to draw first circle.
Not needed. If you want, you can just draw parallelogram also. So you have to prove that We can take the property of opposite side, opposite angle supplementary. Now here, given ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. To prove ABCD is rectangle. How do you prove? Neha. What is the property of cyclic quadrilateral?
Opposite
Neha?
angles are 180 degrees.
Opposite angles are supplementary. So angle A plus angle C equal to
180.
180. Then
Angle A equal to angle C.
Angle D is plus angle B equal to
Angle A
180
plus
degrees.
angle A equal to 180.
but ABCD is a parallelogram. So A equal to
Angle C.
Angle A equal to angle C.
angle A
Angle A
equal to
plus
angle,
angle A equal to 180.
angle A equal to angle C equal to 90. Angle D equal to angle B equal to 90. Therefore, ABCD is a rectangle. Correct? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. After Sneha, I don't think anybody is there. Sahana. Sahana? Sahana,
Yes, ma'am.
your question now. Here, square root of 7 minus 1 by square root of 7 plus 1 minus square root of 7 plus 1 by square root of 7 minus 1 is equal to a plus b root of 7. Find the values of a and b. Work it out and tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
A equal to minus 1 and B equal to 4 upon 6 root 7.
Okay. Root 7 minus 1 by root 7 plus 1. You have to rationalize the denominator. So root 7 plus 1, root 7 minus 1, root 7 plus 1, root 7 plus 1. So this is a minus b whole square. 7 minus 2 root 7 plus 1 by a plus b into a minus b. So 7 minus 1 is 6. So this one will be 7 plus 2 root 7 plus 1. And this will be again 6. So 6 is the LCM. 8 minus 2 root 7 minus 8 minus 8 plus 2 root 7. That will be 8 and 8 will cancel. Minus 4 root 7 by 6. So that is equal to a plus b root 7. So that will be, this is b root 7. So a will be 0. This will be 2 by 3. So b will be minus 2 by 3. Is this what you got?
I told that A equal to minus 1.
How a
Is wrong.
equal to minus 1?
I got this answer only. I had not simplified it, ma'am.
I got a as 0. A is 0 because there is no A no here. See, Answer we got is minus 2 root 7 by 3. There is no A. So A is 0. B is the coefficient of root 7. The minus 2 by 3. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next question. Sahana over. Anjali. Anjali,
Yes, ma'am.
you have to answer. Here, express 1.419119 etc. as P by Q. You work out and tell me the answer. Anjali.
Yes, ma'am. I am doing.
Over. How much you got?
208 by 18, ma'am.
200 and 200 and
280.
80. You and 81
281 by 18.
by 18. So let
18,
us
ma'am.
check. Okay, let us check. One 198 you will get. 281 by 198 is the answer. How you got 18? How did you get 18? Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand what I have done?
Yes, ma'am.
So 281 by 198 is the answer, not 18. I don't know, somewhere you have left one number, I think. So you have got 18. So children, shall we close today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So all,
Ma'am, is
all
there
the best.
any?
Huh? Is there
There
any?
is a easy way, ma'am, to solve this problem.
Is there any what? Any?
Ma'am, is there
Easy way, ma'am.
simple way to solve this?
Is there any?
Simple way,
Simple way,
ma'am.
ma'am. Simple way to solve this problem.
No. This is the only way. See, I'll share my
It is there.
screen.
Our sir had told.
Yes, ma'am. Our sir had told.
Tell me what is the simple way? Tell me how to solve simple way.
That whole number minus not repeated number, ma'am. 141.
So whole number here.
14191, ma'am.
So wait, I'll share my screen. You tell me, I'll write it. Okay. Tell me whole number. What should I write?
14191, ma'am.
14191
91, ma'am.
9
Minus non-repeated number, ma'am. Minus 141.
minus 141
divided by
divided by
number
Divide.
of
number of
repeated numbers and non-repeated numbers. We have to put repeated numbers as 9 and non-repeated numbers as 0, ma'am.
zero.
So there are
9900.
two repeated numbers and
There are two repeated numbers.
yes, ma'am.
There are
So we
two
have to put
non-repeated numbers,
99
ma'am.
and 00, ma'am.
9900.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
How to get 9900? Two repeated numbers.
And two non-repeated numbers.
Two non-repeated numbers, ma'am.
1919. See, 1 and 4 are not repeated, so you put 0. But how did you get 99?
Ma'am, 9 and 1 are repeated. No, ma'am. So we have to put two nines, ma'am.
1 and 9 are repeated, so you write two nines.
Yes,
Ah,
ma'am.
correct, correct. This is the textbook method. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, when we have these
Ah.
questions in MCQ, no, ma'am. There we have to
Ah.
use this one.
Yeah. Yes, MCQ you can use, but if it is a normal question, you can't use that method, no?
Yes,
That
ma'am.
good.
Yes, ma'am.
9 is repeated, and then two non-repeated. 1 9 is repeated, so 9 9 you should write. But it is confusing sometimes, it will be confusing.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Maybe it is a Vedic maths method. No?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good. Okay, all the best for your test tomorrow. Do well. Get good marks.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye. See you.
Bye, ma'am. Good night, ma'am.